I have been replaying Pokemon Crystal, and Red's Snorlax just handed me a serious whooping. Overall, this experience has reminded me how important it is that games have serious heart and soul poured into them. After not checking this channel for 9 months, I come back to this lovely comment from 1as130 telling me not to quit my day job. And don't worry, my little internet troll, I have not. Being a software developer by trade has many perks, and I have an insatiable desire for programming and technology. I want this video to serve as sort of a rebrand to this channel, so I'll tell you a little bit about myself and catch you up with what I've been up to. Without further ado, hello, my fellow indie games enthusiasts. I hope everyone had a successful 2025, and despite the turmoil in the world, I hope you all have been finding the joy in life through the people, pets, and games that you all love. You may know me from the Pixel Powers Kickstarter, which is a deck-building card game I created and launched. I sold approximately 50 units, and to this day is still my most successful project. You may be a friend that knows me from the downhill longboarding community, or maybe I met you at the gym. You may be a family member here to support my indie game studio. You may also know me from Animal Dash, which was my first game published on the Google Play Store. This released in Q1 of 2025, and I'll have the trailer playing in the background now for you. But chances are, I'm hoping, is that you are brand new to this channel. So I welcome you with open arms to share in this adventure with me as we learn together and develop games. You may have also noticed that I did not promote Animal Dash at all, and you may also notice here that it only has a few dozen downloads, if that at all. Well, I have been looking around indie game development groups on Facebook and reading as many books as I can about marketing, business strategy, and as well as textbooks about the Godot engine itself. Algorithms to live by, living life efficiently, and the $100 startup are some great starts if you're interested in this sort of thing. And over the last year, I've been honing my skills and practicing the craft of game design. Animal Dash was Piledrivegames Studio's pilot project, and really all it served to me was a way to get my foot in the door and take my first step into this fascinating world. So we started with, a deck building game. Card games are a passion of mine, and I moved over to developing this game for Google Play and Android phones. So what's next for me, this channel, and life in general? Well, you can expect to see live development sessions in trusty old Godot, loved and used by many indie developers out there, and has created many famous games. You can expect to see live development sessions, tips for Godot, and the game development lifecycle. I've been working in the software industry as a developer professionally for 5 years and programming for nearly 15 years at this point. So over the years, I have picked up some efficiencies, tips and tricks, methodologies over the years that I just want to share with everyone. But most importantly is that my next video game release is about a week away from open beta. So I don't want to make the same mistake I did with Animal Dash and have the project drown into irrelevance. So hold my hand and let's take the first public look at Penguin Village. Penguin Village is again developed for Google Play and Android phones, and let's take a look. So Penguin Village is a cozy, idle-ish point-and-click penguin colony sim. Penguins can be controlled by pointing and clicking at them. Penguins, of course, need to eat food to stay alive. Penguins can go fishing in the water. Which also recovers their health and fills up the food bowl. There is a level up system, and you can gather consumables, which then can be used for free if you have them in the inventory. new penguins can be purchased and added to the colony. There is a daily login rewards system. Penguins can also go ahead and collect gems and slide around on the mountain. We can see there's different variants of fish to catch that will give the player different prizes. You can see this penguin sliding around now, having a little bit of fun. Penguins can be sick and must have medicine in order to cure their sickness using an in-game consumable. And really, the object of the game is to grow your colony and see how many of these little guys you can keep alive at a time. So really, that's about it for now. If you want to keep track of the progress of Penguin Village and future upcoming releases, I'm going to be developing a game for Steam. I will be breaking into the Apple market on the App Store as well. I have so many plans for 2026, so please hit that subscribe button and help me get there so we can prove 1 as 130 wrong. Thanks.